Curly me here, sis. Curly me here. Hey you guys, what's goody, what it do? It's your girl Abi-Sue, and I'm back with another video. Yeah.
Baby, won't you come to my motel? Slide you the key, baby, don't tell.
So I was contacted by a company by the name of CurlyMe here, and they asked me to review their wig. So before I do all of that, I'm going to do an unboxing. So they shipped via DHL and it came super fast. It actually came a week earlier than it was supposed to come. It was supposed to come July 2nd, and it came, well, when did this come? Like 2 days ago, which was, I don't even know today's date. Hold on. Yeah, it came June 25th. So it was supposed to come July 2nd. It came June 25th. Yeah, DHL. So that's super good. Like, that's super fast. It came in this. I wanted to show y'all this because this is secure. Like, nothing is gonna happen to your body. Can you see this? I've never seen like this type of packaging. So this is the back. I'm gonna show y'all the back. Okay, and this is the front. So yeah, super cute packaging. This is the inside. Okay, this is the wig. It comes with these mink hair lashes, which are actually pretty good. You know, it's not like them fake lashes that hair companies be trying to send you. This is like mad cute. And this is the wig cap. So it comes with lashes and a wig cap, y'all. So let's get into the hair. So it has its tag. It says Mongolian hair, kinky curly wig, 180 density, 13 by 6, 26 inches. And yeah, let's open it. Ooh. Okay. Look, you guys, look at the curls. They're really, well, it's kinky hair, so but it's really defined. I love it. These are not like water waves or none of that. Like, these are actual curls. You know how when you order curly hair and it's like it's never this defined. And I really like how this is. It looks shorter than 26 inches, but it stretches a lot. So like, this hair got some stretch to it. Some stretch, y'all. So this is a transparent lace, and I love how it's plucked. Let's show you guys. So this is the hairline. Of course, you could pluck it some more if you want to. I'm gonna pluck it some more. I just like how, like, look at the insides. Can you see? I like how, like, it already looks like you could part it anyway. Like, when you get a 13 by 6, you know you could part it anyway. But like, it's like when I flip it, it's like anywhere. Like, I could part it anywhere. And other 13 by 6 hair, it's like when you flip it, it's just a whole bunch of hair there. So you have to go and part it yourself wherever. I don't know if y'all understanding what I'm trying to say, but usually when you flip it over, it's like a whole bunch of hair, so it's not really parted there. But this is like, you could go you could part this anywhere, like for real, like legit. Anyway, yeah, so this comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 combs. It has the adjustable strap thingy in the back. It has lace at the back, but I don't even be using it. Nah, this is fire. Do you see the definition? What? Nah, I can't wait to put this on. Hold on, I'm gonna try to see, cause it's really not short, but it's not giving 26 inches. But this, like, ooh, snatch my wig off. Basically, I'm just trying to show y'all, like, it doesn't initially look like 26, but you can see that it stretches and it's curly hair, so it just snaps back. Anyway, that's it for the unboxing. I'm getting my hair done at the end of this week, and I'm gonna take y'all with me. Yeah, so I'm taking y'all with me when I get my hair done, and it's gonna be fire. Like, so I'm gonna take y'all with me and show y'all when I'm getting my hair installed, show y'all the end result and all that, and then we're gonna talk about the hair, like, for real. So that's it for the unboxing. I'm gonna see y'all when I see y'all. Oh, that's so cute. So you guys, this is the hair, and I'm really feeling this hair. Oh, disclaimer, if y'all hear fireworks in the background, don't mind it. Can y'all stop with the fireworks? Can y'all stop? Anyway, so yeah, this hair is so freaking cute. I'm so obsessed with it. I had to do a half up, half down because this is so cute. I'm so obsessed with it. I love the texture. Like, I literally think I want to do this texture like for the rest of my life. For the rest of my life. Like, hold on. So let's talk about it. Y'all seen the video, and y'all seen the before and then the after. Like, that is a huge hair change. Like, that's how you know this is some good hair. If you're familiar with kinky hair, then you know how it gets. But if you're not, like, now y'all know how it gets. So this is it dry and in its natural texture, natural state. Are you shitting me? They wildin'. Ugh. Hold on. Hell, stop! Shit. Okay. So yeah, I really like the texture of the hair. So it does get like really frizzy. Like when I wake up in the morning and stuff, it's like really frizzy. And all I do is spray it with some water. You could use leave-in conditioner too if you want. But all I do is spray it with some water to get it to like get its curls back. And then like I like it dry though, so I usually just spray it to get the curls back, and then you know, comb it out a little just so it could have this effect. So this is where it stops. So it is true to life. I like the lace. The lace is nice. And the texture of the hair is bomb. And I think this hair will be really easy to maintain. So before I go to bed, I just braid it up and then throw a scarf on. And it's kind of hot outside, so I've been putting this like elastic band on my my hairline. So just like this, and then I put a scarf on, and then I call it a day. I wake up and I just, you know, put some water in it just to get its texture back. Anyway, I really do like this hair. I got a whole bunch of compliments on this hair, and everybody's been like, oh my gosh, where's that hair from? And I'm like, CurlyMe hair, sis. CurlyMe hair. So you can see like the bottom is like really frizzy, but then like some parts has its texture still. So all I would do is, hold on. So I would just I would just take this bottle of water and spray it. And use a comb, wide tooth comb or a brush or anything, and comb through it. Oh yeah, you could use mousse too. Mousse is good too to get its texture back. And look, look at that. So look at the difference between this side and the side that I just wet. See that? I'm gonna do this side now because now I just look crazy. So yeah, that's how it looks when it's wet and you get its texture back. I really do recommend this hair. This hair is a 10 out of 10. I'm just gonna go ahead and say that I really do like this. Like, everything about this hair is perfect. So I recommend you guys do go out and get it. But if you can't maintain curly hair, then this might not be for you, especially because it's kinky hair, so it does get a little frizzy and stuff like that. So if you can maintain curly hair, then this is for you. And if you can't, then you know, you might want to skip out on this one. But me, this is cute. Like, I love it. I wish I could keep this hair in forever. Like, this is so cute. I'm gonna eventually take it out of this half up, half down, and just wear it down like in the middle part or something. I just wanted to get on camera and show you guys how it looks, and so you guys could see for yourself. Anything that I missed, you guys could comment down below and I'll answer your questions. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and yeah, make sure you guys check out this hair. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram at caution_CTRG. It'll be right here on the screen. And yeah, that'll be all. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.